Today we are going to Chicken Island from Honong by longtail boat, which takes 25 to 30 minutes. There are two ways to get to the island from Honong. The first option is the Chicken Island daily boat service. It operates from 8 am to 4 pm and costs 300 baht per person per round trip. The second option is the 3-island tour, which takes you to Chicken, Tup and Pod Islands. The tour takes only 4 hours and costs 2000 baht for the private boat, which can take a maximum of 4 people together. Either you visit only one island, or if you take the 3-island tour, there is a national park entrance fee of 300 baht per person, which must be paid in cash to the captain on the boat upon arrival to the island.
Chicken Island is one of the most popular islands in the Krabi region. It got its name from the unique huge rock formation that resembles the head of the chicken. The chicken head-shaped rock, which the island is famous for, is unfortunately not visible from the island's sandy shore. During the 3 or more island hopping tours, the boats take tourists almost around the island from where the chicken rock can be seen, and there they are given the opportunity to snorkel in the designated areas.
You can easily plan a half day or even a full day here because there is a small restaurant and bar where cold drinks and snacks are sold, and there is also a public toilet.
Now we are walking towards the back of the island because there is no shade where the boats arrive. This part of the island resembles a truly uninhabited and untouched island. You can't walk around the entire island because the sandy coastline ends here and there are only rocks beyond this point. However, during low tide, as you can see, you can walk for a long time and hide well from the crowd. Definitely worth bringing snorkeling gear with you. Unfortunately, we don't have any, but the water is crystal clear, so we can still enjoy watching the amazing marine life while we are swimming. What makes this island unique is the white sandbank, known in Thai as Talay, which emerges from the water only at low tide. This sandbank connects Chicken Island with 2 and more islands at low tide.
Now it's low tide, we are walking over to the neighboring Tup Island. The water only reaches up to the waist, so you can safely cross with a backpack. After the sandbank, it's a pebbly path in the water, and many people are walking in water shoes or flip-flops. But we are not wearing either of these, and as you can see, Muni is crossing it very slowly. At high tide, you can't walk from one island to another, because the current is so strong that it is dangerous to cross.
Átértünk.
To fly drones in Thailand, you must obtain permission from the Thai government. In addition, if you wish to fly a drone in any of the national parks here, you must also obtain permit from that specific park. The Thai authorities take drone regulation seriously in national parks, and park rangers will check for permits if they see you flying a drone. The Chicken and the Tup Island are part of the Hatnopfarattaramukkofifi National Park, and thus you need to obtain a permit from this park in order to fly your drone. And of course, you also need to have the necessary permit from the Thai government. There is huge crowd on Tup Island, especially at low tide, so if you want to fly your drone, the safest solution is to fly over Tup from Chicken Island. The Tup Island is very small, and just like the Chicken Island, it is part of the multi-island tours. It gets very crowded during the day, so we feel very lucky that we arrived at a time when there were very few people and we were able to take these videos. You can't go around Tup Island either. There isn't a sandy beach all along, only rocks after a while, but the island is so small that you can swim around it in a few minutes. There is also a small resto here on Tup Island where you can buy ice cream, coconut, cold drinks and snacks. On this island there is almost no shade along the coast, so it is good to have a cap, a hat or anything that can provide a little shade, although people do not usually come here for a whole day.
Három óra van, indul a hajó hazafelé, aztán majd visszajövünk. A felszálláskor nem néztük meg a hajónknak a számát. Ráadásul privát hajónk van. És az egyetlen dolog, amit tudunk, hogy a hajós kapitányunk hogy néz ki, és azt, hogy benne hagytuk a papucsunkat.
Now it's time for us to go home, but these two islands are wonderful, and here we saw such crystal clear turquoise water for the first time in our lives. We will definitely come back here, and if you are in Aonang or Krabi, don't miss it because it will be an experience of a lifetime.
Thank you for staying with us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in our next video. Bye bye.